I came into the pressure like any other Nairobian. I went to shop at China Square, and I want to show you the few things I was able to get, and I'll share with you the prices. They are quite low compared to other malls. So starting with this rolling pin, see how cute it is. I've just arrived from the mall, from the China Square, so your man has detolewa. This one I got for 190. See how cute it is. Makes you just want to cook. There is this frying pan, quite huge. This I got for 1100. Some cleaning wipes, 9 of them. I don't know this. How much are this? Cleaning wipes. 90 bob for 9 sheets. I also got this workout band for my kids. They like to work out with tummy. So this one I think I got this one for 200 shillings. And the belt. Yeah. Then I also got a set of these glasses. Each one was going for 250. See how beautiful. I don't know if you can be able to see. This is each at 250. Very beautiful ones. I got this tea distiller. I usually like to take some herbs in the evening before sleeping, so this is going to really be helpful. You pour in your herbs in here, then you pour hot water, and then it sieves through to the kajar and drink, so it ensures there is no wastage. It comes with two small glasses. This one I got for 340. And there is these spoons. Each set of 2 was going for 200. Knives, 200, the same. And the color, I just love the feel of it. So I don't know how much this was. I don't know, I can't remember, but it's something like 80. No, it's 200 shillings. Then scissors, kitchen scissors. This was 190. More buy that I've done today. This automatic cooker, I've been eyeing it for quite some time, and today I found it there. It's quite affordable, so I grabbed it, and I look forward to sharing with you the recipes that I'll be making through this. It's quite a good buy. I got it at 7,720, and I'll be sharing with you, you know, how I'll be able to make use of it. I'll be leaving with you a video playing, showing you the other things that were on sale that I wasn't able to get because of uchumi kuwa mbaya. But make your way there, grab whatever you can. You know, it's worth every effort, it's worth every coin. I think their things are looking a bit legit. So, and I'll jaribu. Thank you for watching and enjoy.